Hello guys! For today's video, kakain tayo ng ating banana Q. Banana Q is our title of our video for today. So, I already ate some of it. I'm just thinking, let me make a video. So, kain tayo. Ayan, masunog-sunog pa siya. Ito ang tinatawag na banana Q in the Philippines. Pang ano ito siya, snacks. Tamis. Lalapad na yung ating mukha, guys. Kakain tayo, snacky. We're off today. Today is Sunday. If I go to buffet restaurant, I am more looking for this kind of food, the fried banana. I know people they not get used to eat fried banana, but fried banana is so delicious. Why don't you try? So in the Philippines, they put it in a stick. I think right now it's 5 peso. One stick, 3 pieces, like this, 3, and then 5 peso. I grew up this kind of food, so this kind of food has never been strange with me. It's not strange to me because I ate this one since I was little. I think my son is already here. He works in the restaurant. Thank you guys for watching for our barbecue, banana barbecue.